Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to Revolut loans work. Everything you need to know before applying, from eligibility requirements to interest rates and key pros and cons. I've got you covered. What is Revolut loan? Revolut offers unsecured personal loans through its app with fixed interest rates, loan amounts from around $1,000 £2,000 up to £50,000 depending on the country, and repayment terms from 1 to 5 to 7 years. It's fully digital. Apply in app, and if approved, money typically lands in your account in minutes to a day. Who can apply? Must be at least 18 years old. Be a resident of a country where Revolut offers loan. Example, Ireland, UK, Lithuania, and Australia. Existing Revolut user for at least 30 days with a verified account. Have regular, verifiable income, often paid into Revolut or linked bank account for 3 plus months. Good credit history and no negative balances needed. And income consistency matters. Variable payments may lead to automatic rejection. The pros: fast approvals and instant funding if you're eligible. Competitive fixed interest rate starting 4.9 to 6.17%, representative depending on country and profile. No ongoing monthly or early repayment fees. Flexible. You can make extra repayments or pay off early without penalty. The cons: approval can be unpredictable. Many users report being declined even with solid income and credit because Revolut's automated system relies heavily on salary consistency and account patterns. Limits vary by region. In Ireland, amounts up to £30,000. In Australia, up to 50,000 Australian dollars. UK and Europe different through lending works from 500 to 25,000 pounds. In the UK, Revolut is still awaiting a consumer credit license, meaning loans are not yet offered through its UK bank arm. Availability may be delayed until licensing issues are resolved. If you're an existing Revolut user with a steady income and prefer app-based lending, even with some unpredictability, then its fast, flexible loans can be worth it. But if your income is variable or you value manual review options, this might not be the best fit. If this helped you decide, hit like and drop your experience or questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial app reviews and tips. See you next time.